Did you know some of the greatest inventions in history started as accidents? Yes, happy accidents. But here's the twist. Without intellectual property rights, those oops moments could have easily become someone else's success story. Today, we are diving into the world of IP and IPR to show how they turn mishaps into milestones and protect the genius behind the scenes. 1. The magic of Teflon. Let's start with Teflon. Back in 1938, chemist Roy J. Plunkett stumbled upon this slippery substance while working on refrigerants. Little did he know, this accident would revolutionize cookware and even aerospace. Thanks to patents, Roy secured his legacy and financial success. Without IP rights, Teflon might have just been another forgotten lab experiment. 2. Penicillin, the accidental savior of millions and overlooked petri dish turned into the foundation of antibiotics, saving countless lives and earning Fleming a Nobel Prize. Imagine the impact of protecting your accidental discoveries. In 1928, Alexander Fleming returned from vacation to find mold contaminating one of his petri dishes. Instead of discarding it, he noticed the mold was killing harmful bacteria. This happy accident led to the discovery of penicillin, the world's first antibiotic. Thanks to IP protections, this breakthrough was developed into a life-saving medication that has since revolutionized modern medicine. 3. Velcro, inspired by nature. Ever wonder how Velcro came to be? George D. Mestral got the idea after burrs stuck to his dog's fur during a hike. By patenting his nature-inspired fastener, he gained global recognition and financial rewards. Imagine a world without Velcro, no easy shoes, no quick fixes. 4. The microwave oven revolution. Next up, the microwave oven. Percy Spencer discovered microwave technology when a chocolate bar melted in his pocket during radar experiments. His patented invention transformed kitchens worldwide, making him and his company, Raytheon, a fortune. Without IP, this might have just been a messy snack story. 5. Sticky notes, from weak glue to big success. Then there's the humble sticky note. Spencer Silver's weak adhesive was once considered useless until Arthur Fry turned it into a global organization tool. Thanks to IP protection, 3M turned this, oops, moment into a multi-million-dollar product. 6. X-ray imaging, seeing beyond the surface. Imagine discovering a way to see inside the human body without a single incision. That's exactly what happened in 1895 when Wilhelm Roentgen accidentally found X-rays while experimenting with cathode rays. His discovery revolutionized medicine, enabling doctors to diagnose fractures and illnesses like never before. Thanks to IP protection, Roentgen's groundbreaking work received the recognition it deserved, and today, X-rays remain a cornerstone of modern healthcare. 7. Safety glass, the breakthrough that didn't break. One day in 1903, Edward Benedictus accidentally dropped a glass flask coated with plastic. Instead of shattering, the glass stayed intact, a happy accident that led to the invention of safety glass. From car windshields to protective eyewear, safety glass has saved countless lives. With IP rights in place, Benedictus's innovation became a vital part of industries worldwide, proving that a little mishap can lead to a massive impact. 8. Super glue, sticking to success. Harry Coover stumbled upon super glue while working on clear plastics for gun sights. Though initially dismissed as too sticky, this accidental adhesive found its purpose years later, becoming a household and industrial staple. Thanks to patents, super glue secured its place in history and became a multi-billion-dollar product used in everything from crafting to surgeries. 9. Slinky, the spring that bounced into our hearts. Richard James was working on stabilizing equipment for ships when a spring accidentally fell off his desk and started walking. That moment of curiosity turned into the Slinky, one of the world's most beloved toys. With IP protection, James turned his accidental discovery into a cultural phenomenon, selling millions and delighting generations. 10. Popsicles, the coolest mistake ever. On a chilly night in 1905, 11-year-old Frank Epperson left a sugary mixture outside with a stirring stick in it. By morning, he had accidentally invented the first popsicle. Years later, Epperson patented his frozen treat, and the rest is history. Thanks to IP rights, his frosty mistake became a global sensation, bringing joy to millions and inspiring countless summer memories. Each of these stories shows the power of protecting your ideas with IP rights. These inventions didn't just change the lives of their creators, they transformed industries and enriched society. Why IP and IPR matter. Intellectual property rights, IPR, safeguard your ideas, ensuring your hard work doesn't end up funding someone else's success. They encourage innovation, provide financial rewards, and drive economic growth. Simply put, IP rights turn dreams into reality and profits. From saving lives to sparking joy, these happy accidents transformed the world, and IP made sure the inventors got their due credit. So, what's your happy accident waiting to happen? Don't forget to protect it with the power of IP. You could be next. So, what's your big idea? Maybe you're the next inventor who will change the world. With IP protection, your happy accident could become the next global game changer. Take the first step, innovate, protect, and make an impact. Remember, every great invention started with a spark of curiosity, but success starts with IP. Protect your ideas, secure your future, and who knows, you might just change the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your accidental genius moments in the comments below.